With any of that, Chief Meteorologist Nick Marianos is here with your full forecast. Hey, Nick.
Yeah, hey, Brady. Yeah, thankfully we don't have any of that type of weather out this way, especially on a regular basis, right? What we do have, though, and what we did see earlier today were those thunderstorms over the Sierra, mainly with cloudy ground lightning strikes, torrential rain. So these have not been dry thunderstorms today. They've been producing some heavy rain during the late afternoon hours. And look at all the lightning we've had with those storms. I think tomorrow we'll have another round of these, especially after 1 o'clock. Some of these will be like the storms today with heavy rainfall, gusty winds, small hail with some of the stronger storms, and again, some gusty winds. But once you get past dinner time, you lose the heating of the day, which means you lose the energy for these storms. And they kind of start to disperse and fade away there to just some showers and then eventually decreasing clouds when all that activity comes to an end. So it's really between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. for most of the activity in the Sierra, and they'll be scattered in nature, so not everybody will see them. That said, for tonight, temperatures will be on their way down to the upper 50s across the valley. We are looking at clear skies in place as well. Some of the mild spots will be over our foothill communities from Pollock Pines to Grass Valley, where low temperatures will be ranging between mid-60s to about 70 degrees. And another warm day on tap tomorrow, too. These temperatures, low 90s, but at least it's not triple digits. So we'll take that. Stockton, Modesto, lower 90s as well, mostly sunny skies. There will be some hot locations in the valley, and that's going to be out by Colusa north. As you get north toward Red Bluff, you're looking at temperatures in the low 100s tomorrow afternoon. That's also where there's a heat advisory in place north of our region. So high pressure is driving the warmth right now. Temperatures have been about 5-10 degrees above our averages, but there's some change coming our way. That ridge starts to move east, and what we start to see is a new pattern setting up is a trough of low pressure instead. So what this pattern does, it gives us a stronger wind flow off the cooler Pacific water. And that does a couple of things. One, it brings down the temperatures naturally, but also it's not a super dry air mass either. So the humidity levels won't be bone dry, which is great news for fire concerns locally, at least this week. I mean, this time of year, fire risk is never zero, right? Because we're just not getting any rainfall for the valley or the foothills. It's that dry time of year, and that's going to be the case for the rest of the summer season. So fire risk never zero, but at least this pattern, it helps, where temperatures are not as hot as what they can be in June, and also the relative humidity is not as low as what it can be either. So that said, for those up in the Sierra this weekend, we are watching, again, thunderstorm chances on Sunday. And on Monday, Monday's coverage won't be as much, but we will see those storms, I think, coming to an end with dry afternoons in the Sierra Tuesday onward.